It's a perfect situation.
Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. I'm showing my Mockmill 200 that I had a couple of months ago, and I used down my stocks of commercially ground flour, and I've been using this for a few weeks now and I'm loving it. At the moment I'm just doing normal flour. I haven't done anything else, but all the instructions come in the box, and you can grind things like flour very fine, or you can grind things coarser. Now, one thing that I do on this is I'm going for measured amounts. I put my scales underneath together with a container to collect the flour. I'll pare that down, and that goes to 0. Start it up. Would do good if I turned it on. It's now on. It's set for grinding flour. If I wanted it coarser, I could set it. You can set it to quite coarse rather. But start it up before you put your wheat grains in. It's a little bit noisy. Does collect in the spout, and I want it for the recipe. I need 460 grams, and because I put my weighing scales underneath the container that's going to collect the flour, I have got exactly 460 in there. So that's to use in a moment for bread. This is a container I keep here in the kitchen for making my bread, and for making the rye bread. And this is the larger container that contains all my wheat grains, wheat berries, whichever you want to call it. So whenever I get it out to top up my kitchen one, I draw off and make the flour that I need for the recipe and top that one up. And that goes now back into my pantry storage.
It's a perfect